Hello, I am Patricia Roballo. I'm a student to Accounting Public in the Military New Granada University. Today talk about the Compliance and Finance Audit. The Compliance and Finance Audit is the independent, systematic and objective evaluation through which evidence is gathered and obtained to determine if the organization, subject or matter to be audited comply with the provisions of any order emanating from competent bodies or organizations that have been identified as evaluation criteria. The ASSI 4200, the general objective is to obtain sufficient and appropriate evidence to establish the compliance status of the subject or matter in the question. The field of action, according with the ASSI 4200, the complete and finance documents follows the usual structure and contains the following points: initial considerations, objectives, ethical principles, quality control, planning and design of a compliance audit, determining the parties involved and the legal functioning, criterion and audit strategy, execution of the audit and obtaining the evidence in the documentation and communication, assessment of evidence and formation of conclusions, preparation of the reports, monitoring, additional indication for courts of accounts with jurisdictional functions. The auditor will verify the active, passive financial obligations and other factors in the financial statements. In the active, the auditor verifies the cash balance at closing and 31 on December exist and are duly supported and reconciled. Are all bank accounts duly reconciled? The conciliatory items are duly supported and do not have significant implication in the financial statements. For example, interest bank to be registered, collections by registered, reclassifications. In the passive or financial obligations, all financial obligations on the company are properly registered as of December 31. The interest generated by the financial obligations during the year are reconciled in total at the close of December 31. The balance in foreign currency were adjusted to the close TRM as on December 31. Have all the disclosures in actions accordance with accounting principles generally accepted. The general were the stats prepared general proposed financials, which include balance sheet, income statements, change in the heritage change in the financial situation and flows of cash and their respective notes. Was the reconciliation between fiscal income and accounting income. The official books of the company are the U2 date. Thank you for paying attention.